I'll detail how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. So if you are struggling to use Bluetooth on your Windows 11 and you don't know how to turn it on, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, when Bluetooth is enabled or turned on your Windows 11, you should see the Bluetooth on the task manager or on the taskbar, or if you click on the pointed arrow, then the Bluetooth should be somewhere around here. So if you couldn't find the Bluetooth, then I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to take here to make sure the Bluetooth is working perfectly on your Windows 11, except if your Bluetooth driver is not installed. Now to start with, click on the start button, search for services, then open services. Once you open services on your Windows 11, come to the services page and then locate Bluetooth. So just scroll down, then you should say Bluetooth audio gateway, Bluetooth service support, and Bluetooth user support. Then click on Bluetooth audio gateway service, right click it, select properties, and here where it says startup type, click on the drop menu and make sure you select automatic. So if this is set to manual, just make sure you set this to automatic, select apply, then click on OK. And again, click on the Bluetooth support service, right click on it, select properties, then come here you see startup type and click on the drop menu. If this is set to manual, make sure you set this to automatic. Once you set that to automatic, click on the apply button, then click on OK. Now, once you have the services set up, you can close the services page. Click on the start button again and click on the settings G icon. If the settings is missing, you can just go ahead, come here and search for settings. Then open it. Once you've opened the settings, locate network and internet and click on that. Now, once you select the network and internet, scroll down the network and internet page. Then click on flight mode. Under flight mode, where you see wireless devices, make sure Bluetooth and wireless are both turned on. So turn on Bluetooth and turn on wireless. Again, click on the home button on the settings page. Click on Bluetooth and devices. Now, if Bluetooth is not enabled here, go ahead and enable it. And now this is going to make your Windows 11 Bluetooth discoverable. However, if after doing all this, the Bluetooth is missing, then you may need to update your Bluetooth driver. To do this, click on the start button, search for device manager, click on open, then hang on for device manager to open. Once device manager opens, locate Bluetooth, click on the pointed arrow beside Bluetooth, then you should see all your Bluetooth on your Windows 11. Right click on all the Bluetooth driver, select update driver, search update automatically, and then make sure all the drivers update are up to date. Then once that is done, your Bluetooth will be turned on. However, now if you want your Bluetooth icon to show on the taskbar or on this pointed arrow and it's not coming up, all you need to do is click on the start button, select settings. Now after settings, locate and click on Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down the Bluetooth and devices page and click on devices. Then scroll down, click on more Bluetooth settings. Once you select more Bluetooth settings, select options and make sure show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area is enabled. If this is unchecked, go ahead and check this, click apply and then click on OK. Then you should have your Bluetooth once you click on this pointed arrow or on the taskbar icon. So you can just go ahead and click on the Bluetooth to start receive or send files and then you're good. So that is basically all you need to do to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.